Okay, so we're just doing a quick drive through Harmony 2, so you can just get a feel for how this community looks. And I know what's really important is also to see how the actual houses look and the parking. You can see the pathways in between, which take you down to the parks, the community swimming pool, the kids' play areas. Try not to scratch that Ferrari. But just such a nice community, and the landscaping is really now mature and grown, and it's sunset, so it's literally like the perfect temperature. And you can see, here we go, the ground, the plot sizes, and also check out on my left here, there's little paths that the developer have put in, so you can walk through the park areas into the kids' play area and the swimming pools. Some people are still doing interior changes and renovations. Some people are closing in balconies. And just really, you know, for those of you watching from overseas and you're looking at listings online, but you really have no idea how the community looks, that's why I do these videos for you. And of course, I do also have these properties for sale as well. So my details are always below in the videos. And, you know, I can give you the update prices as to what we have available and for sale. And yeah, it's a question of choosing who you want to work with, because it's not just about finding the agent that has the house, but it's about finding the agent that will walk you through and hold your hand through the whole process, including taking your money and your funds from overseas, taking you through the legal process, and make sure you're working with the right professional. So that is the aim of what I do. I've been working here as a real estate agent for 13 years, and very, very clear as to how my clients can own a property, even if you're not in the community or you're not in the city yet, or you don't even live in the UAE. We can help you do all of that from start to finish, because it's not just about buying a property, it's moving the monies, and then, you know, advising you on how to get a will, and also to get your golden visa, etc., etc., moving your things across if you've got dogs, what schools you want. You know, there's a lot of advice, and you need someone to be able to give you all of that. So just check out this kids area. I mean, literally everyone's here with their nannies. You've got the paddle tennis courts here. These are always busy. So here within the community, we've got an app that you can add yourself to once you're an owner or a tenant, and then put your name down to be playing a game of paddle tennis as well. So thank you so much for sharing and coming on this journey with me on YouTube. Do get in touch with me. I love to meet all of my viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I hope to be helping you find your next property, your next home, or maybe your next investment, because there's quite a few of you that watch this and you already have a couple of properties here and you're looking for your next buy. So thank you once again for meeting you here at sunset from the beautiful Harmony 2. As always, you know how much I love this community. Well, you know how much I love Dubai. Thank you so much. Take care.